Hello all, welcome to my channel. This video is a short tutorial on how to make a very tasty split pea with ham soup that's only 300 total calories. I use this recipe as a low calorie, low fat lunch or dinner when I may have had one of my heartier, higher calorie meals for lunch or dinner, and it just balances out my daily calorie intake. As a bonus, this is a recipe that you can share with your entire family. They will love it. As a reminder, the focus of this channel is diet and weight management, my way of showing viewers how to eat delicious comfort foods while lowering the calorie content. You can go a long way towards your weight loss goals by using this very low calorie recipe. Before I go further, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications. This is a new channel, so if you would do those things, it would help me out tremendously. So thank you. So let's get started. The ingredients you will need are a 1 pound bag of dry green split peas, soaked in spring water overnight. 4 ounce Hatfield smoked ham steak, finely diced. 1 chicken bouillon cube or chicken bouillon pack. 1 cup of finely grated carrots. 1 small yellow onion, puree. 1 bay leaf. 3/4 pot of spring water. Salt to taste. Ground black pepper to taste. The cooking directions are: soak split peas in spring water overnight. I've found that if spring water isn't used and your tap water is hard, the peas may not fully dissolve. So following, soaking overnight, then you'll drain and rinse thoroughly. In a large Dutch oven, add split peas and water. Then over medium heat, cover the pot and simmer for about an hour. In the meantime, prepare the carrots and onions. Put them in the blender on puree. You can put them in both at the same time. Dice the ham steak using only about half of the 8-ounce steak. You can use a little bit more if that's your preference. I'm going to use the other half for a future dish. After about an hour, add bouillon, carrots and onions, bay leaf, and salt and pepper. Cover the pot and simmer on low for another hour or until the peas have dissolved. If it takes longer than 2 hours to fully cook and dissolve the peas, take the extra time that it'll need. I mean, I've done it, and sometimes I've had to, simmer for up to 3 hours. So if it takes that time, use that time. And check on the peas frequently to make sure that they're completely dissolved.
Not so essentially. It's a revenge of the reconciliation. I mean, it's here reminded us, it's the tennis I love this. He said, when you seek revenge with someone, start by digging 2 graves. One of them for years. That really does start giving you what's happening.
Once the peas are dissolved, add the ham and continue to simmer in a covered pot for about another 20 minutes. That's it. Voila. That's all there is to it. Remove from heat and rest. Now, while it's resting, stir from time to time. After about half an hour to an hour, the soup will thicken. Then you can serve. Thank you for watching the demonstration. Please let me know in the comments how this came out for you. Did you share this with your family? If so, did they enjoy it? So I already uploaded low-calorie recipe videos are Spanish rice with lean ground beef. Oh man, they're all good. Every one of these recipes you can share with your family. They would not consider them diet. They just consider them a tasty meal that you prepare. Only thing is, you might give them a little bit more. Because diet or weight management, of course, you gotta be careful how much you take. But you can serve these recipes to your entire family. So we have air fryer fried chicken wings. With 0 oil added. New England clam chowder, homemade white clam sauce and linguine, lamb stew, dirty rice and baked chicken thighs, red lobster style shrimp scampi and saffron rice, shrimp salad, and homemade chicken and rice soup. Upcoming recipe videos will be chicken parmesan, chicken marsala, chicken chow mein, and shrimp fried rice. And also chicken fried rice and pork fried rice. Then there will be lots more videos after that. I'm just getting started. In the very near future, I'll be adding a fashion playlist with hints on how to dress stylishly as a woman over a certain age, and how to avoid appearing matronly, because that's something, I don't know about you, I don't want to appear matronly. Why should I would like to see in the comments which, if any, of the menu recipes in the menus playlist you would like to see demonstrated. I have linked resources below in the description that you can use to determine how to structure your calorie intake based on your age, gender, height, current weight, and activity level. Also is the link to a calorie counter. And please remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications bell. And please check out my playlist which feature uploads for diet menus, diet recipes, and fashion, which I'll get to in the very near future. Until next time,